Hello, I'm Paul Tommey with RE/MAX Executive Group. I'm a licensed realtor in Georgia and Alabama, standing at my newest listing today at 6697 Spring Lake Drive in the Spring Lake subdivision. This property is located in northeast Columbus, near Fort Benning and the Interstate I-185 and JR-Allen Parkway. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, and it's in great shape, move-in ready, and we have a nice neighborhood amenities of a 11-acre lake, pool, tennis court, clubhouse, and a barbecue area as well. Let's go take a look. View of the foyer, laminate flooring, large family room, tray ceiling, built-in bookcases, wood-burning fireplace. A view of the formal dining room is next. This property is located about 16 miles from the front gate of Fort Benning. HOA is $350 a year. Has a lighted tennis court, pool, clubhouse. This is the view of the kitchen. Also an extra area in the kitchen with tile floor. Half bath. Property is located in northeast Columbus. Great neighborhood, established neighborhood, 11-acre lake. Clubhouse, cookhouse, playground. This was a Jack and Jill bath and a connecting bedroom number 2 and 3. Double vanity sink. Stand-up shower. Tile floor. Master bedroom with a tray ceiling. Master bath with some upgrades. With new tile, new stand-up shower. Get anywhere in Columbus in about 20 minutes. This is in northeast Columbus, close to shopping and restaurants near I-185 and JR-Allen Parkway. Please make an appointment with your agent. This is bedroom number 3, which is used as an office. Separate laundry room, cabinets, tile floor, screened-in back porch, private backyard. Please make an appointment with your agent. You can see this and any other properties I have listed on housetohomerealestate.com. That's housetorealestate.com. Or go to my YouTube site at Paul Tommey YouTube and see my other seller listings. Thank you and have the best day ever.